For some Netflix customers, it's smooth, or rather smoother viewing. This is what's news on WSJ Live. I'm Joanne Poe. Netflix agrees to pay Comcast to ensure that its movies and TV shows stream smoothly to Comcast customers. In exchange for payment, Netflix will get direct access to Comcast broadband network. The move is a landmark deal that could set a precedent for Netflix's relations with other broadband suppliers. The online video giant has been in a standoff with major broadband providers including Comcast, AT&T, Verizon, and Time Warner Cable over who should pay for faster and smoother streaming access to their networks, resulting in a traffic jam for Netflix customers in recent months. Sources tell the Wall Street Journal that in the wake of its deal with Comcast, Netflix is likely to agree to compensate the other big providers. WhatsApp says it will start offering voice calling as early as April. The service would allow free phone calls among WhatsApp's 465 million users. The mobile messaging service last week agreed to be acquired by Facebook for $19 billion. WhatsApp co-founder and CEO Jan Koum says the company aims to grow the service to 1 or 2 billion users. With its move into voice calls, WhatsApp will now compete more directly with Microsoft's Skype service. And Dale Earnhardt Jr. wins the Daytona 500. The victory comes a decade after his first win in NASCAR's biggest race. Mr. Earnhardt snaps a 55-race winless stretch dating back to 2012. Heavy rain had delayed the race for more than 6 hours on Sunday, and there were 4 multi-car accidents as the field closed in on the checkered flag. At the end, it was Earnhardt's number 88 Chevrolet which crossed the finish line after 200 laps. We'll keep you posted on all the latest news developments throughout the day and what's news on WSJ Live. I'm Joanne Poe.